minority of content creators know that this particular app or this particular tool has moved from just being, that which we use to check analytics, check the views, check the subscriber count, etc. It has moved on to becoming one important tool that we can use to, always get content ideas. Did you know that? I bet you do, but have you actually explored it yet? Well, if you haven't, or even if you have, I still have this particular, strategy that I think it is important for you, as a content creator to explore and then use it to run your channel. And you are not going to run out of views. You're not going to run out of content ideas. And then you are also not going to run out of subscribers. So let's meet at the end of the video as I walk you through this particular thing that we can use the YouTube Studio for. Hi, you're welcome to my channel. I am the Virtual Giant, and on here I share with you my experiences as a small content creator. I share with you tips and strategies that you can implement on your channel just to, grow your channel, get that 1K subscribers, get the 4K watch hours, and eventually, see monetization so that your creation journey, gets some kind of boost and different energy and vibe to it. So without wasting much time, let's head over into our YouTube Studio. Whether you are using the desktop version, whether you are using the Android or the iOS version, it is fine. We are going to go through the same procedure, the same steps. You're going to see the same things. So as we enter the YouTube Studio, we are not going to concern ourselves with the subscriber counts, the watch hours, or views, or any other thing. We are going to look for content ideas so that we can use to create our videos. So we move straight to analytics. So what you're seeing is as a result of the kind of niche this particular channel is in. So once you open the analytics, you see at the top left corner there is trend. Now once you are in trends, you would see that these information are available to you. They are showing you these kind of things. Now it is because of the kind of niche that this particular channel is in, and due to your own niche too, you're going to see probably a different kind of content displaying. So all these you are seeing and more are content currently in your niche, which you can jump on and also create your own version. You understand? You either create a similar one or, this particular one, but, improve it in a way, add a different touch to it, a different feel to it, give it a different vibe while solving the same problems that this particular content is solving and more. I hope you understand, right? But this is not even the main focus of this video. We are going to look for a content form where creators haven't explored yet. What I mean by this is that it is either that we have no creators who have actually tackled those kind of topics, or there are creators who have actually touched on the topic, but whatever information, whatever value they give is limited, or it hasn't solved people's problems yet. So people keep coming back to search for that particular topic, to search for those, or to search for answers using a particular search query. And that is where we are going to base our content creation idea generation from. What you do is to scroll down and then you see what is called content gaps. This is what I more or less explained earlier on. There are gaps in these areas, meaning that these areas are either gray areas people haven't explored, or we don't have much information there. So what you're going to do is to, identify these gray areas, these gaps, conduct your research, and then come up with content ideas that address these issues. And when that happens, every single search that people conduct on YouTube on this particular topic, it is going to land them straight to your channel. And that is free traffic for you. So imagine being able to create content to fill these gaps that are in your niche. Imagine the number of views you're going to get in a day. So that is one strategy that you can use to generate content ideas. Never run out of content ideas. So you are always on point with what people are actually looking for. And when that happens, don't forget your channel is going to, come across like an evergreen kind of channel. Every blessed day, every single day, people are landing there. And when they do so, they are also going to recommend it to other people. Why? Because you are solving problems. They are going to leave a like, they're going to subscribe, they're going to leave a comment. And that is a positive signal to the YouTube algorithm, which in turn will keep pushing the video to reach a wider audience, just so you can help solve people's content and basically keep those people on the platform, get them coming back each and every day. I hope you understand that particular aspect, right? All right. So this is one strategy that you can use to, keep getting content ideas day in and day out without struggling, without going to look at competitors and whatever they are doing. I'm not saying that looking at competitors and replicating their videos is a crime. No, it is not. But if you are able to fill in the gaps, you can imagine how you're going to stand out from the rest and keep growing your channel in that regard. So if this helped you, make sure you leave a like, drop your comment. Let's see what's up with you and how your channel is coming across. All right. So I'll see you in my next video.